Today we will understand the sourcing in supply chain. Introduction to sourcing. Sourcing in procurement is defined as the process of locating, evaluating, and engaging suppliers based on predetermined criteria in order to achieve cost savings and the best value for goods and services at a price point and terms that provide the required margin to positively affect the company's bottom line. Tendering is used in the sourcing process, which is used at tactical and strategic levels to generate distinctive value by selecting the most relevant suppliers at the lowest cost in order to obtain a competitive edge. In most firms, the initial stage in the supply chain process is procuring items or services. Sourcing entails striking a balance between the quality of items and raw materials necessary, as well as their pricing. Most procurement teams want to spend less money and make more money. But how can you be certain that you have the necessary tactics and processes in place to make sourcing profitable? There are three main factors of sourcing, which are: number 1, cost structure; number 2, profit margins; number 3, competitiveness. The sourcing process involves: number 1, collecting data of sources of goods and services; number 2, negotiating contracts; number 3, market research; number 4, product testing for quality; number 5, considering outsourcing for goods and services; and number 6, constituting standards company will use. Number 3. Different types of sourcing. To successfully execute sourcing, you must first have a clear grasp of your overall company strategy, including what resources are necessary to achieve that plan, as well as the market dynamics and unique risks involved with implementing certain techniques. Obtaining low-cost goods and services should not be the exclusive purpose of sourcing. Instead, procurement teams should focus their sourcing efforts on building mutually beneficial relationships. Depending on your sourcing requirements and the commodities you want to buy, you can engage directly with wholesalers, producers, or distributors. In next slide we will have an overview of different types of sourcing. 1. Outsourcing. 2. Insourcing. 3. Near sourcing. 4. Low-cost country sourcing. 5. Global sourcing. 6. Price/subcontracting. 7. Captive service operations. 8. Professional service. 9. Manufacturing. 10. Vertical integration. 11. Few or many suppliers. 12. Joint ventures. 13. Virtual enterprise. Number 4. Now we will understand the responsible sourcing. In today's global supply chain industry, responsible sourcing has become a prominent subject. This sort of sourcing is a voluntary commitment by businesses to consider social and environmental factors while managing their supplier relationships. The ethical development and sustainability of a product are more important to modern consumers and investors. They are more inclined than ever to invest in socially sustainable goods and services. To remain competitive and defend their brand, sourcing teams and company executives must include social, environmental, and ethical policies into their business, taking responsibility for the complete life cycle of products and preserving workers' rights during the manufacturing process. However, this is easier said than done. Because of the complexity of global supply chains, it can be difficult for businesses to be aware of or comprehend the possible risks affecting their organization and its suppliers. Fortunately, there is a remedy. Your organization must be able to trace a product or service through each stage of the supply chain and collaborate with their company and suppliers to guarantee fair working conditions and sustainable environmental practices. Number 5. What is impact sourcing? Another current sourcing trend is impact sourcing. This sort of sourcing is a socially responsible branch of the business process outsourcing, BPO, and information technology outsourcing industries that strives to employ individuals who have few options for long-term work. Workers from impoverished and vulnerable areas are used in the impact sourcing sector to do jobs with low to moderate skill requirements, such as scanning documents, data entry labor, data verification and cleaning, video tagging, and micro work. Number 6. Sourcing models. A sourcing business model integrates a company's connection model while also defining how you will formally regulate your supply source and economic model. This, in turn, dictates how you will handle the relationship's economics. The 7 sourcing business models are: Number 1, basic provider, used when the primary purpose is to purchase goods and services at the lowest possible cost. 2, approved provider, used when you want to take advantage of high-volume discounts with suppliers with a proven track record. 3, preferred provider, offers value-added capabilities or volume discounts with a set supplier, and this is usually due to a longer contract. 4, performance provider. This is dependent on the supplier who has to drive efficiency and deliver predefined service levels. This model allows for a longer contract as the supplier tends to benefit as long as they sustain the quality of their goods or services. 5, vested business model is a collaborative model that requires both sides to ensure that everyone is committed to the success of the other. These relationships tend to last well over 10 years and optimize innovation and risk management. 6, shared services is an investment-based model that is developed by companies that are seeking to create their own internal supplier. 7, equity partnership are legally binding through formal structures. In this model, the organization invests directly into another company to build capability. Number 6. Sourcing models. The first step in optimizing the supply chain is to find the correct products and services. There is also a need to strike a balance between the quality of the goods and the raw materials required. Furthermore, the cost of the items is an important factor to consider when sourcing, since it has a direct influence on the bottom line. A well-executed sourcing strategy enables your organization to develop reliable and predictable supply chains, resulting in well-stocked stores and pleased consumers. When sourcing is done correctly, it may improve your business's image and assist establish brand loyalty. Strategic sourcing also aids in cost control by benefiting both buyers and suppliers. Lowering unit price for large volume purchases lowers the cost of items. It enables the company to maintain competitive pricing. Suppliers, on the other hand, profit from having a continuous outlet for their goods, making planning and cash flow more reliable. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.